Let's turn back to the questions that you've sent in. And by the way, that number that you see on your screen, if you're tuning in right now, that's where you send them to us. We've got Jaya from Bengaluru who's asking about Orient Technologies, which she's bought at levels of 315 rupees per share. She's wondering if this is a good stock to hold for the long term. The stock is not too far away from the buy price. Avinash, do you have coverage, first of all? Have you looked at this company? And if so, would it be a hold for you?
Yeah, I think, Alex, this company, first of all, is a well-established IT vendor and has a very good clientele, both in India and abroad. And most importantly, it's got an order book of almost 600 crores plus. So I think revenue visibility is pretty strong. And, the stock is trading at 305, 306 levels. If the investor has a 12 to 15 month kind of time horizon, I would suggest, let the stock settle down. Let us get, maybe a couple of quarters numbers from the management. And once we get a better hold on the management commentary, I would not be surprised that you could see a recent amount of re-rating happening here. So consider it to be a good investment, for at the current level. And I think one can definitely consider holding it for the next 12 to 15 months. I think you should be able to get a decent risk reward.
All right, Tenzuk from Kerala has got a question on Larsen & Toubro, but he's also asking an interesting question. Will the drop in crude oil prices have an impact on electric vehicles and the stocks related to them? Interestingly, the drop in crude oil prices and the kind of volatility that you've seen in crude oil prices have not reflected in a change in the prices at the pumps, as a result of which the same cost is being incurred by people who are driving internal combustion engine vehicles. So it's not really that is affecting the cost of electric vehicles. It's more about the SOPs, and FAME 3 is on the way. That's something to watch out for.